Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to quickly bulk update your Trello cards. A handy skill to manage your workflow effectively, especially if you've got a large number of cards to work with. First up, you'll need to install a browser extension called Bulk Actions for Trello. This tool will allow you to perform bulk actions on your Trello cards, saving you time and effort. The reason we do this is to ensure that we can efficiently and quickly manage multiple cards at once. Once you've installed this extension, go to your Trello board and select the list that contains the cards you want to update. Now, click on the Bulk Actions icon that appears at the top of your screen. This helps us because it opens up a menu where we can select multiple cards for updating. Next up, you'll need to select the cards you want to update. You can either manually select the cards or use the Select All button if you want to update all the cards in the list. This step is essential as it specifies which cards you want the changes applied to. Now that we've done that, it's time to perform the bulk update. In the same Bulk Actions menu, you will find options like Move to List, Assign Members, Add Labels, and Change Due Date. Select the action you want to apply to your cards. Let me explain why this matters. This is where the actual update happens. Each option has a different function, so make sure you choose the one that suits your need. Once you've selected the action, a new menu will appear where you can specify the details of the update. For example, if you chose Move to List, you would then select the list you want to move your cards to. The reason we do this is to fine-tune the bulk update to exactly what we need. After you've input all the necessary details, hit the Apply button to update your cards. You'll see your changes reflected immediately on the Trello board. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The extension is making simultaneous changes to all the selected cards, saving you from having to update each card individually. All right, folks, that's how you can quickly and easily bulk update your Trello cards. It's a game changer for managing large projects or teams. Remember, the key is to make use of tools like Bulk Actions for Trello to streamline your work process. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.